What happens when nature's fastest sprinter races cutting-edge electric speed? In 2017, Formula E driver Jean-Éric Vergne took on a real cheetah in a 100-meter drag race on a South African runway. Both the cheetah and the electric car accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. At the start, the cheetah surged ahead with explosive speed, but halfway down the track, the Formula E car caught up and edged past, clinching the win. Did you expect the cheetah to win? Like and subscribe for more wild matchups and incredible facts.